Sometimes we do video discussions. These are a great way to share your opinions, practice your speaking skills, and get to know your classmates. To do this activity, you will need a microphone and a webcam. Most laptops and phones have built-in cameras and microphones. You can use a headset to record and listen to the videos. If you don't have a built-in camera, you can attach one or record yourself without a video. We would really love it if you record your video in these discussions, especially since we won't meet in person. But if you don't have a video camera, or if you really don't want to show your video, don't worry. I will show you how you can still participate a little later in this video. First, read the instructions on the page. Then, find this link, Open Video Discussion. This will open the discussion page in a new, bigger window. You have to log in. Click Log in with Microsoft. Use your Red River College email address and password. Now you can look at the discussion. Read the instructions. Watch the video. Listen carefully. Sometimes you have to click on links or videos under the instructions. When you are ready to post your reply, click on the big green plus. If you see a pop-up asking for permission to use your mic and camera, click Allow. Click the Record button and start talking. Click Pause to stop. Don't worry, if you don't like your recording, you can delete it and try again. To delete, click the Redo button. You can also add text and stickers to your video before posting it. Try not to read your answer. Practice and talk naturally. When you are done, click Next. You can view your recording. Take a selfie and then click Next again. When you are ready, click the Submit button. Be careful, you can't change or delete your video after you click Submit. If you want to try again, click on the X and start over. Now, if you don't want to share your video, we still want to hear you. To record just your voice, click on the green plus button. Then click on the Board button. Choose the black or the white paint can. You can add text or stickers. Then click on the Record button to record just your voice. Follow the same steps I told you about before. You do not have to take a selfie, and your video will not be shown. Don't forget, it's important to discuss with your classmates. Watch other videos. Click on the comment button to add your opinion. We are excited to get to see your videos.